Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can switch countries or regions in your Windows 11. So, if you want access to apps, features or games not available in your country, in this easy tutorial, I'll show you how you can change your regions on Windows 11 in just a few taps. So you can just go to your Windows settings, tap on settings in here and go to the time and language settings, and here you can see the language and regions. Click on that and there will be this region section. So what you need to do to change your country or regions is click on this drop down and choose any country that you want. But the Windows and apps might use your country or regions to give you local content. So you can just choose the country that you want and it will be saved automatically, or you need to also restart your PC. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.